you know, little dirt on the floor, you know, but on the body, a little bit of dirt, you know, some grime, and the paint started fading a little bit. So I'm gonna make it look a little bit better when it's done, you know. Yeah, and the trunk area here, you know, tree sap and dirt all over right there. So, you know, with the car not all that bad, just crap here and there. So I'm gonna shine up the tires and give it a nice little clean. So as I said, the car not that bad. So stay tuned, keep watching. Gonna do some cleaning on the engine also, and when I'm done, I'll show you. You know, right there, little spots, you know. All right. Yeah, see, engine have some dirt. It's a nice little Corolla, you know, 2015. Yeah. All right. See, nice little car. Good on gas. Clean in here. And a few spots. So when it's done, I'll show you guys what it look like. All right. Cleaning the mat. Everything. Make sure you get all these. I already do most of it already anyway. We're gonna get the inside. We're gonna get all of this. And the seats. Get all the seats too. Alright. Yeah, all right guys, see all the dirt in there. Yeah, I just sprayed them with the oxygen orange awesome, and then I spray all these places right there, and that's what I use in here also with that. Spray that, and then come back to the engine. I spray it down too, soak it through, soak over there, all the way through, get out all that dirt, and right there, 2015 Toyota Corolla, nice car. I love Toyotas. Yeah, see? Dirt all in those places. I'm gonna get them out and make this lady happy. It's a friend of mine, so I'll make her car good. All right, so stay tuned and watch while I finish this. Yeah, now you get the brush, nice little brush. You brush these areas out. See, get the brush. You brush them. You brush all this out. It's gonna take a little bit, but you just gotta take your time and do it. Little, brush it nice, and then you take your water hose and you wash it out. Yeah, take your water hose and you wash that out. Then you come in these little spots too. Send the brush in there and get all of that out. All that out, and then you take a bucket with some water and some soap and you rinse it out. See what I mean? Just, you know, clean the car, make it look nice. Get out all these little black little spots out here. It's gonna look nice when I'm done. Alright. Yeah, around here, see all that. I start spraying it down and going towards the trunk area. Yeah, I take out the mats in the trunk. I wanted to see what all those look like around here. So I'm gonna just vacuum up all of that and wipe out all of this area, and then these door frames again, as I said, coming back out. Because you really want your car to look nice and smell nice when it's done, you know. When you're traveling in your car, you really want it really nice. You want to enjoy riding in your car. You know, that's how your car's supposed to be, nice like your house. Yeah, I always do though. I love my car pretty and smell good, because I have to be in there all the time, you know. So check it out while I keep doing this. Wipe all of that down, because I already sprayed it down with the soap. Make all these area nice. Then I'm gonna vacuum that, as I said before. See over this area now. When I'm done, it's gonna be nice and shiny. Yeah, for a long time, and protect it. It's protecting your over here from the sun, so it doesn't get cracked and all of that. And then, you know, the dash too, you know, make it pretty and nice and protectant from the sun. You know, it will last a long time. So if you notice, sometimes people's dashboard crack up because they don't clean it. Yeah, they don't clean it, so it get cracked. You know, and if you notice, sometimes the car get rusty all in the door areas and stuff, because they don't really get it clean. They just jump in and drive. You know, but some people don't really fussy about cars, but you know, I do. Alright, so keep watching. See all those spots? I'm gonna try and get them out. I think those are for repaint though, because those start rust. But I'm working on it. Alright, like in these spots, there's dirt over in these spots. I just clean out. So keep wiping these down, like those little spots right there. So you want them shiny. You don't want to see none of that when you're doing. Get out all of that before you wash it. And all of these spots are the channels. Dirt doesn't go in the channels, and the door squeak and make noise. Yeah. Alright. To these and spots like that, you're gonna have to get in here with this brush. You're just like a brush, you know. You get in with the brush and thing, and you go in here and clean out all of that. Clean out in there with your brush. And then with your bucket of water too. Make sure you have your bucket of water. And all those little spots down there on the door, you know, we're gonna clean those up nice. And just the door frames, all of those spots, you know, make them nice. Yeah. Alright, and then wash down the door, covering them. You know, the car not that bad, it's not all that dirty, but you know, some people like their car nice and pretty. So this lady here, you see right there in those things, she wants her car nice and pretty. So, you know, I have to take care of my friend. Yeah, I have to take care of your friends and, you know, make them happy. You know, do all of that. And those places. And so, alright, so you know, your car take care of you, so you gotta take care of your car. If you don't take care of it, it doesn't take care of you. So you gotta do your regular maintenance, your regular cleaning. As I said before in one of my videos, this is kind of part of your investment, so you gotta take care of it. You know, car expensive right now. Nobody can buy a brand new car right now. They're so expensive. So always take care of your car, always take care of your ride. You know, yeah, you make your car happy, it make you happy too. So it's just like that. I'm gonna give you a little tour now of the 2015 Toyota Corolla that I just did cleaning on today. It's a 93-year-old lady, so just want her to be happy, so I did some cleaning for her. Alright, now we're gonna open the door, and it's a little bit dark now, but see the interior turns out real nice. It turns out so beautiful. Yeah, the car turns out so beautiful in here, man. It looks clean and pretty. As I said, it's a little bit dark now, but as I can see how it look today. Yeah, see the car so beautiful now. Doors all shiny and pretty. Wheels. Yeah. Alright, all interior real nice over there. Shiny and pretty. All the doors. Everything looking good. Yeah. Alright. It's so dark inside here now because it's black interior. But you see all the flooring, how it look nice. These cars are a real nice car. I love Toyotas anyway. They're always the best car. I own a bunch of them. And they serve me for a long time. Yeah. These are really, really good cars and they are so good on gas. Alright. Tour on the engine. See, the engine turns out real great. Pretty and nice. Yeah, this is how you do your car, man. Keep it clean and nice. You take care of it, it take care of you. See y'all down in there. All pretty now. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. See? Interior, real nice. Seats clean and nice. Yeah, I know she's gonna be happy. It's a 93-year-old lady. She's gonna be happy. Alright guys, so stay tuned, keep watching. More videos coming soon. See, I make this car really look nice, man. Oh man, so just stay tuned, keep watching, alright? Alright. Remember, yeah, always remember to like, subscribe and share to Keyless One, my channel. Alright, thank you very much. Looking forward to seeing the next one. Yeah. And
oh my God,
yeah,
so happy.
I just did the car for her.
So happy.
Alright.
Brand new, brand new.
Spend some time on it. Alright, so you love it, right?
I'm happy.
All right, I'm glad you did.
I don't regret my.
I'm glad you did. You see y'all down in there. All pretty now. Beautiful. Yeah, that's some of the products I use to clean the car, and they turn out good. And I also use some more. It's the Ultra Shine Butter Smooth. That gives you nice silky shine on the car body. You can just run your fingers over it, pour water over it, and it just drain right off. Alright, so check it out.